Join me as I dive into the cringe-worthy world of earwax removal and attempt to tackle the absolute worst one ever done. Earwax removal, it's a task that many of us have attempted at some point in our lives. But what happens when things go horribly wrong? Today, I'll be sharing with you some of the most shocking stories and experiences when it comes to earwax removal, and trust me, you won't believe what you're about to see. When it comes to removing earwax at home, many of us take a DIY approach. We think it's going to be a quick and easy fix, but little do we know, it can lead to some serious consequences. One of the biggest challenges people face is not knowing how to properly remove earwax, which can cause pushing the wax further into the ear canal, leading to even more discomfort and potential damage. Another risk is using the wrong tools or objects to remove the wax, which can cause scratching or puncturing the eardrum. Not to mention, using harsh chemicals or ear candles, which can lead to burns or other serious injuries. And let's not forget about the possibility of ear infections, which can be extremely painful and even lead to hearing loss if left untreated. In addition to these risks, many people are not aware of the biology behind earwax and how it's actually an important part of our ear health. Earwax helps to protect our ears from dirt, dust, and other foreign objects, and removing it can disrupt this natural barrier. Furthermore, overcleaning the ears can lead to dryness and irritation, causing even more problems down the line. Another common mistake people make is using Q-tips to remove earwax, which can actually push the wax further into the ear canal and cause more harm than good. And then there are those who try to use ear vacuums or aspirators, which can be extremely dangerous if not used properly. When it comes to earwax removal, there are many misconceptions about what works and what doesn't. For example, some people believe that ear candles can remove earwax, but in reality, they're completely ineffective and can even cause harm. Others think that using hydrogen peroxide or other harsh chemicals can dissolve earwax, but in reality, these chemicals can damage the ear canal and eardrum. And then there are those who think that earwax removal is a one-time fix, when in reality, it's an ongoing process that requires regular maintenance. One of the most shocking experiences I've encountered is when someone tried to use a hair dryer to remove earwax. Yes, you read that right, a hair dryer. The heat from the dryer ended up burning the ear canal and causing severe discomfort. But what's even more shocking is the aftermath. The person was left with a severe ear infection that required antibiotics and even surgery. The visuals were truly shocking. The earwax was hardened and compacted, and the ear canal was red and inflamed. It was clear that the DIY attempt had caused more harm than good, and it was a stark reminder of the dangers of attempting earwax removal at home. But the worst part was yet to come. The person had to deal with the emotional and psychological impact of the experience. They felt embarrassed, ashamed, and anxious about seeking medical help. They were worried about what others would think, and they felt like they had let themselves down. In the end, the takeaway from this experience is clear: seeking professional help from an audiologist or ear, nose, and throat specialist is the only way to ensure safe and effective earwax removal. So, what can we learn from this experience? The most important thing is to prioritize your ear health and seek professional help when dealing with earwax issues. Don't take matters into your own hands, and don't risk causing further damage to your ears. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button and share your own earwax removal horror stories in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and wellness content. I've got plenty of videos on ear health, skincare, and more. Plenty of videos on